In this video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram. It's going to be a step-by-step video. Open your Instagram, right? If you want to collaborate with a friend, a brand, a company, like a whole lot of them, you need to do this what I'll show you now, right? So you can either collaborate with them, let's say, if you have an image you used to work for them, right? So if you want to collaborate with them, click on this plus icon, click on this. You can select anyone from your choice. So I'll click on, I think, reel. So I can just select this reel I just created now. So let's say if I want to collaborate with someone, you have to first come on here, enter the caption, right? Hey friends, for an example. So what you need to do now, you need to click on this, right? You're going to see invite collaborators. So click on it. Right now, you're going to be able to invite anybody you want to collaborate with, right? So you can invite any of them. Let me say Alex. So you're going to be able to invite, let me see if I click on this now. So he's my collaborator now. So I'm going to click on this done. So this is basically how you can do this. Once you have properly set up this post, you're going to be able to adjust every required things you need to do, right? Once you're done, click on the next and it's going to post and go through. So that is basically how you can collaborate with people here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. Now, if you love to ask video,